Dear students of Standard 3, welcome back to your grammar class. Today we are beginning our grammar class. Before I begin the grammar class, I would like to say a few things. I will be teaching you very slowly. Try to understand the language which I am using it, a very simple language, and try to listen time and again, which will help you to understand my teaching. Second one, that when I give you homework, please do not neglect the homework. Please do it. You have plenty of time nowadays. You don't get out of your home, so you have plenty of time to sit with your parents, and parents will help you to learn. So if you have any doubts, ask even your parents, and parents will clarify the doubts. And when I give you the homework, please do it. If it is today it is given, do it by today itself. Give the date. And when you come to the school after reopening, please come with your homework sheets. So dear students, before I begin, I would like to just say that we use words while we speak. For example, we come to school every day to learn many things. So the words I have used, we come to school every day to learn many things. Here you see many words are used, but you is not used as school. School is not used as every day. Every day is not used as many things. So these words have got a different meaning and they express different things. So the words that we use are expressed in different ways, and that is why we call them parts of speech. And in chapter 1, the grammar class that we have today, the grammar way class 3, in chapter 1 today we will be dealing with nouns, which is in page number 1. You can look at your book. Here it is, the lesson 1, the nouns. So I have already explained to you what is parts of speech. So words are used in different ways. We express our thoughts in those words, and they are called parts of speech. And here we have parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. So in parts of speech, how many things are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 things are there in your parts of speech. So noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So all these are part of parts of speech. So as we have the title in lesson 1, the nouns, we try to understand the definition of noun. What is noun? Nouns are names of people, places, animals, and things. So nouns are names of people, places, animals, and things. They are also called naming words. Nouns are called naming words. You can look at the picture. Here itself we can find many things. Okay? Here itself we can find many things. Okay? Here we have people, here we have place, here we have things. You can see these are the names of persons. Harish and Arun are going to bookshop to buy story books. So here we can, where are these Harish and Arun are the people. Place is bookshop and things is storybook. So it is clear for you here in this picture. You can understand, looking at the picture you can understand what it is. Harish and Arun are going to bookshop to buy storybook. Next example is the parrot has green feathers. That parrot has green feathers. My school has a big playground. My school has a, school is a place, playground also is a place. So these words which are in blue color, they are all nouns. Now, so my dear students, you see they are divided: person, place, animal and thing. So you don't write here. So you make in your homework copy like this, just person, place, animal and thing. So you make this square and write the persons, place, animal and thing. Like example, I will give you Akbar, Shivaji, Ashoka. Place is called Delhi, Agra. Animals, for example, zebra, okay, tiger. Things can be duster, book. So this is for your exam, for your homework. Please make this exactly like this and write the person, place, animal and thing. So it is already shown in your book. For example, just you can read person, place, animal and thing. Baker, farmer, family, stranger. These are all persons. And place, stadium, beach, village, city, wolf. This place is stadium, beach, village, city. Animal, wolf, elephant, eagle, bee. Things, bucket, lamp, comb, stone. So this is the example given to you, and this is the homework that I am giving you today. So please write and make like this exactly the square and the place you can divide and write, and please write it in your homework copy. So in the next class we'll just enter into your exercises and I will explain to you what to do and how to do. So for today this is enough, and please do your homework and have a nice time. Stay at home and stay safe. Thank you and have a good time.